Hello everybody! Hi, welcome to a challenge with my friend Nathaniel, aka
Hi.
Graham Cracker. Whoop! Okay, so we are going to be doing the shotguns only challenge. We'll see how it goes, because like it's pretty hard. Because we've tried it and we can't find shotguns. I mean, they're supposed to be like the most common thing in the whole entire game, but
Yeah,
they're not.
Whenever I do it, I only end up getting a charge. I just get one gun, normally a gray pump, and then I can't eliminate anybody.
Okay.
Or I can.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Well, we'll see you on the battle bus. Bye.
yep.
Okay. Whoa, we are in the battle bus again. Okay. Well, we are going to probably land friend anyways. Oh, there's a shotgun right there. I just found a shotgun. Let's go. Let's go, baby. I got a pump. Why do you have that gun? Why do you have that gun? Oh, there's a gun.
I was doing it to threaten people.
Gun over here, Nathaniel.
Oh, let's go. I got a weapon I think I can use, right? A harpoon gun.
Yes, you can use that.
Oh, and I found a charged shotgun too. So
Good, good, good.
yeah. Chilling my harpoon gun and I got a shot. Wait, I need shotgun ammo.
Oh, how
I have
much do you
7.
need? How much do you need? Okay.
Like 2.
Yeah. Okay, where are they? Where are those peoples? He is above us right now. I can smell him. Oh, he's so close to me.
He is so close.
I see
Enemy spotted.
They're here. They're here.
I've been. Oh, what? I shouldn't have jumped. He only killed me. Okay, I hit him 111. Then his teammate shot me in the head when I jumped. But I'm gonna land here anyways because I think. No, there's a henchman. I'm dead.
I'm probably dead as well. But you know, let's try it. Someone already got chopper. I only have grenades. What am I supposed to do with these? Chest? Oh!
I got a combat. Alright, I'm coming. And yes, I need heals.
I'm just hoping no one comes in this house.
I'm
Besides
just
you.
hoping I can find heals.
I'm hoping you can get over here. There's an entrance right here.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, I found a big pot. Oh, and a pump.
Okay, come on, come over, come over.
I'm popping the big pot.
Okay. There's these over here. You
Oh,
can take them.
we are both gonna need that.
Okay,
so-
can you come over now? Quickly, quickly. I'm 24.
Are there anybody like
No.
really near you?
No, it's just a henchman. That is dead.
Did you pickaxe him?
No, I used my grenades. That's how I died.
Wait, you grenaded yourself.
Yeah. And he didn't even have a freaking
You can have my pump.
combat. Why? What do you have?
I have, and I'll give you 8 ammo with it. I have a combat.
Awesome. You can take those. I'll try to. Is that a shotgun? That's a shotgun. I missed the shotgun.
What shotgun was it?
It was a charge. It was a gray charge.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna look for
No.
shotgun ammo because I have 16, but that runs fast in a combat.
I-
It's just enough.
Where are you, henchman? I hear you. I know you're here. I know. No, you can't. There you are. Get over here, boy. Ah!
shotgun. Combats only do 50.
I know. Okay, well,
And he took
Okay.
it.
um,
No!
I am. Oh no, Nathaniel, what's happening? What's
I
happening?
took a jump. I landed on the roof, and the most unluckiest hole in the
What's
roof
happening?
happened.
Oh God.
So you know where that goes.
In the trash can. Okay, well, I need
Right now I'm kind of just. Oh shoot.
I need a shotgun. Give me a shotgun. Yes! Yes!
No rush. I just might need some help. I'm kind of
Yeah,
hiding
yeah,
under
yeah.
a stair.
I have a shotgun. I'm just seeing if there's any more. There's a guy over there. Yay!
Oh, man shot!
Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm insane, my guy! I got them both!
Don't worry about me. I'm camping.
I got both with a headshot! Oh my God!
Headshot. Oh shoot.
Oh my God, that was honestly insane. Okay,
They're right outside.
okay, I'm coming over to you. We're going, and we're going, everybody!
He's one shot. I hit him 60.
I'm throwing grenades! Yeet! Hopefully something hits. Nope. I don't think that. Why did I think that would?
The crystal is very low.
Crystal.
Enemy spotted.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh my god! Oh my god! Wait, this is a shotgun for me. I don't know.
I'll just grab the shotgun.
Also grab the big pot.
Yeah.
I think there was a
I'll
big
take
pot
that.
back
I'll
there.
probably take that.
Maybe.
Just so I don't die. That was insane.
I don't know how you clutched that, but I'm happy.
You know? Yeah. Let's go, my guy.
Take the crash pads to get
Yeah.
to the van faster.
Yeah, so there wasn't a
Okay.
big pot here. What? Ah!
Wait, since when does that not break?
Yeah, why does that not break?
Since when? I thought it was exactly like a shockwave.
Yeah.
Just drop me a pump and some ammo.
Okay. What is bouncing back there? Is it, probably a gas can, I would think. I think a gas can. It's just bouncing
it
back.
could be a car.
Oh yeah, could be a car. Let me have the charge. Actually, I will drop you a pump.
And ammo.
Yeah, and ammo. I have lots. Split.
I honestly want to see what's. Hold on. What's bouncing?
Oh yeah, let's go. The mystery. What is bouncing in the basement?
What is that? There's nothing
Nothing.
bouncing.
Oh, I
need to get the ammo. Shoot. I should have just taken the ammo. No, no!
I gave you ammo.
No, I was talking about the crash pad. I was gonna use it to get over to that guy that's trying to kill that shark.
Okay, yeah. I have a crash pad.
I'm gonna be a taxi driver.
Oh, okay.
No, actually, no.
I'm going to get you. Run, boy, run. Run, boy.
You're abusing
Oh, he got
that shark.
Yeah, I think he got ate by a shark.
No, he's right there. Oh.
What?
Oh.
I think he took damage from the shark because he was one tap. I killed him instantly. This is a good round. Been doing really good. Stupid chair!
What happened?
He was in my way. You know, I don't like chairs.
Yeah.
Die. Die.
Oh,
Die.
gaming chairs, not office chairs. Oh, I just killed a chair. There was a chair right here, and
Yes. Kill all chairs.
Mm.
Okay, guys, this will be our last game.
Yep.
Because we
Don't want to make the video too long.
Yeah, I mean it is 16 minutes. Already.
60 minutes.
Yeah, it's already been 16 minutes, Nathaniel. That's a long boy right there.
Okay, I see why you do the 10-minute mark.
Yeah, I know.
Well, hopefully we can tie it off with something good.
Yeah, hopefully we can tie it off with a win, maybe. Honestly,
Don't jinx it.
I don't believe in jinxes, but
I do.
oh, okay.
They're always true. One time, Cam said, "Imagine if I get sniped in the head while I'm resting you." He came in to res you, and at 1 millisecond, literal 1 millisecond, he got sniped in the head, and they did take the L on us.
Oh, okay. Oh, there's people over there, and people on the other side trying to shoot some ammunition. I think he's.
Oh shoot!
He's coming up.
They're in a boat. They have to afford a boat. Oh, he has no
Hello.
idea you're there.
I hate when you have to
Okay.
when right as you shoot, you have to.
What the?
Okay. Oh.
I hit a headshot and it only did 80.
Okay. Well, guys, that was it. We had a very
You
good match.
jinxed it.
No, I didn't.
You
no,
jinxed
no,
it.
No, I didn't. No.
You literally jinxed
Nope.
it.
Nope.
Guys, leave in the comments if you think he jinxed it. He
didn't. No.
so jinxed it.
I didn't, guys. Stop. Don't listen to me. Okay. Well,
You jinxed it.
no, I didn't. Okay. Well,
Yes, you
let's
did.
end that this video here. Make sure to hit that subscribe, like, comment what you want to see next, and make sure to stay in the Avocado Gang.